Best home remedies for mosquito bites. The menace of the mosquitoes is global. They breed well in damp waterlogged areas. They are very harmful to human beings as they spread many diseases such as malaria, dengue, elephantiasis, Japanese bee encephalitis, etc. There are different varieties of mosquitoes which spreads different diseases. The best way to treat the mosquito bites is to prevent the mosquito bites. Avoid stagnation of water around the homes or buildings. Eradicate the breeding spots of mosquitoes using appropriate methods. Having proper sanitation facilities can reduce the mosquito menace. Home remedies for mosquito bites. 1. Water. It is one of the most easily home remedies for mosquito bites. You can use either ice-cold water or hot water to alleviate the itches caused by the mosquito bites. There are different ways in which water can be used for the purpose. If you are in the beach area, try taking a dip in the seawater. At home you can add salt to water to make it salty and can use it to wash the mosquito bites. You can also dip a towel in hot water and press it on the bites. Keep the towel on the bite till the tingling feeling on bite vanishes. Repeat this for 2 or 3 times. Apply ice cubes or ice-cold water on the bites for 20 minutes. What makes this remedy works is that the heat causes the immune response of the body to fight against the saliva of the mosquito at once. The saliva of mosquito contains the anticoagulant which causes the itching sensation. The cold may suppress the action of these anticoagulants and reduces itching. 2. Alcohol wipes. It is necessary to deal with the mosquito bites as soon as they occur. Some people are more sensitive to the bite and have a severe reaction to the bite which may look like chicken pox marks. So, clean the bite area with alcohol wipes or by rubbing alcohol as soon as the bite occurs. This will prevent severe itching and the chances of developing infections. 3. Baking soda. The alkalinity of baking soda is helpful in easing the itching caused mosquito bites or any other insect bite. Baking soda can be used in 2 ways. Baking soda with warm water. Apply a mix of 1 tablespoon baking soda and 1 pint of water on the affected area. Leave it on the skin for a few minutes and wash it off with warm water. Baking soda with household ammonia. Take a few drops of cleaning ammonia and add it to 1 teaspoonful of baking soda to form a thick paste. Apply it to the bites and allow the mixture to dry. Remove the mix using warm water after it dries up. This will revive itching. 4. Essential oils. Some essential oils like tea tree oil and lavender oil has anti-inflammatory property and hence prevents swelling and pain. It also combats the itching sensation. The antibacterial and antiviral properties of these oils help to prevent the chances of infection as well. 5. Vinegar. Vinegar helps to stop itching due to its acidity. It can be used for all-over bites or for individual bites. For all-over bites, mix 3 to 4 cups of vinegar in the warm water in your bathtub and have a hot bath. Apply the apple cider vinegar using a cotton swab on the individual bite. 6. Honey. Honey is a main ingredient of many of the natural lotion and balms for skin because of their antibacterial and anti-inflammatory property. This is the exact reason why they are effective in relieving the itching caused by mosquito bites. 7. Tea bags. Tea contains tannin which acts as an astringent. They absorb the extra liquid out of the inflammation and hence reduce swelling caused by the bites. 8. Toothpaste. This another easily available and fastest home remedies for mosquito bites. You can dab a little toothpaste onto the bites and your itching will stop quickly. For better and faster results, use toothpaste containing peppermint. You can also use mouthwash instead of toothpaste. 9. Aspirin. Most of you will be having an aspirin tablet at home. Rub wet aspirin tablet over the itchy areas to get relief. Avoid using this tip if you are allergic to aspirin tablets. 10. Deodorant. It has found that deodorant keeps away mosquitoes. So you can prevent mosquito bites to a certain extent by using the deodorant. You can also apply deodorant over the mosquito bites to get relief from itching. This is also useful for other insect bites. 11. Aloe vera. Apply the gel from the broken leaf or the gel available in the market on the affected area to relieve the itching. They also help in healing the wounds caused by itching. 12. Witch hazel. A paste of witch hazel and baking soda is very effective in soothing the inflamed skin. Leave the paste on the skin for at least 15 minutes. 13. Peppermint. You can either use a paste of peppermint leaves or you can apply the peppermint oil. The cooling agents present in the peppermint juice counter the action of irritants present in the saliva of mosquito. 14. Basil. Basil contains thymol and camphor in it. These compounds help to relieve itching. You can just crush some leaves of basil and apply it to the affected areas. You can also use the essential oil prepared from basil. 15. Lemon and lime. The main problem caused by the itching due to mosquito bite is the skin infections. The citrus fruits have antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. So apply the juice on the bite or rub the bites using pieces of the fruits. 16. Egg. The membrane of the egg inside the shell helps to reduce itching. Cover the bite with the egg membrane and allow it to dry for some time. While the membrane gets dry, it absorbs the toxin in the saliva of the mosquito. 17. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is well known for the anti-itching properties. You can make a paste of oatmeal with water and apply it onto the affected area. Allow it to dry for some time and wash off. Are you looking for the home remedies to treat mosquito bites? Do you want to stay free from mosquito bites always? Then, try any of these methods to get relief from swelling and itching. Since there are different types of mosquitoes, the reaction of the body to the bites will be different and you have to find out which one is effective by trial and error. Some remedies take some time to work in some people. It will need 2 or 3 applications of the remedies to get the effect.